So I wanted to focus in today a little bit on the superpower of GTD that I consider so incredible of clarifying our work. To me, this gives us an edge that almost virtually no one is doing, right? Except if you're adopting a GTD practice. And what it is having the time in your calendar and the space to define what is and isn't our work, right? And so that means sitting down, going through emails, getting those emails to zero, processing paper, processing all of these digital inputs, and even clarifying and organizing the ideas in our head so that they move from simply being ideation into concrete projects, specific next actions, someday maybes, things that we may or may not do at some point, or even just putting it into a reference system that's trusted and clean. Why is this such a superpower? I remember working with a client who told me this is what was giving her peace of mind and the ability to sleep better at night, and even a better meditation practice because she adopted clarifying her work. I remember when I was first learning how to work out with kettlebells. So I was not a very athletic person growing up, and I started training in Russian hardstyle kettlebells. So this was vigorous workout with a trainer, multiple days a week, lifting these very heavy weights, right? Totally out of my comfort zone. And I remember after the very first week of working out, I was sore in muscles that I didn't even know I had. Well, I feel like in GTD, the process of clarifying and organizing our work is where people discover they didn't even know they had that muscle. They hadn't been taught in school. Nobody said they needed to define their work. Maybe they had a project manager who supported them in a prior role, or an assistant, or someone to help them. Maybe they had that support or not. But nobody ever really said, hey, there's this whole series of muscles that you need to develop. And if you do, you'll be stronger and your workout will be more complete and you'll be able to tackle your work with greater clarity. So I highly recommend that you not only carve out the time, just like you would carve out the time for your health by working out, but also that you get the support of someone with more experience with getting things done to show you how to tweak those movements so that they'll be more efficient and more effective for you. Because once you master this superpower, it's really that edge that you get where you're operating from zero base. You're clean, you're current, you're clear, you know what to do. And that's an incredible feeling.